Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here, and today we have some awesome hip flexor strengthening exercises. This routine is so great, so important to take care of that part of your body, all right? It's just gonna improve your overall well-being, mobility, stability, range of motion, better sleep, all right, with stronger hip flexors. So let's get into it and have fun. We will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I talk you through the movement a little bit more, proper form, all that good stuff. And then set number 2 and 3, less talking, more doing. We go straight through the routine. All right, so if you think you have good knowledge of movement, go ahead and get to it, all right? If not, go ahead and get down to the floor gently at your own pace. All right, and as you can see, I have a dumbbell here. It's actually an antique vintage dumbbell, really cool. But I'm just kind of using it as a prop. You can use anything else, or you don't even have to use a prop. So don't run away if you don't have a dumbbell. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna sit with our legs open more, so kind of on the edges of the mat if you are sitting on a mat. If not, just kind of like tilted outwards. All right, and this dumbbell is right here in the middle. All right, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift your leg over the dumbbell to the other side. All right, hands back here to support you a little bit. Over, and then back to the starting position, other leg, and then over, all right? So there we go. We have seated leg lift overs, all right? Like I said, you don't have to have anything here. You can just go ahead and move it. Close your legs together. That can give you like a good place to go to. Or, you know, you can find something around your house. It could be anything. 30 seconds on the clock. We have seated leg liftovers. Let's go. So alternating, we lift one and then come back, and then we do the other. Very good. Remember, using those hip flexors. So try to sit up as much as you can. You don't want to be leaning down too much. It's also not good for your posture. So a nice posture, hands are behind you, supporting you. All right, you're using your core muscles to help as well as your hip flexors. Very good. I already feel it. Oh, it's a good one. And 3, 2, 1, and go ahead. Shake it out, shake it out. Very good. Now, we don't need this dumbbell anymore until set number 2, so go ahead and put that to the side if you have a prop. If not, we're gonna be doing seated straight leg pulses. All right, so now our feet are together, closer together. All right, we're going to do one leg at a time where we lift and drop it down. So lift and down, and we're gonna do that quickly, so that's where the pulses come in. If pulsing is too much for you, go ahead and you lift, hold, and then come down, rest a few seconds, and then go for another one. All right, 2 variations for you. Big breath, and let's go. All right, so up, down, very good. Nice and fast if you can. It doesn't have to come too much off of the ground, just a few inches. Higher if you feel, you know, like you can and you want to, but it doesn't have to be too big of a movement. All right, big breath. And you can try the pulsing, you know, for 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and then come down, take a little break, and then go again, all right? So different ways to try it out. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out. Go ahead and bend that leg, wiggle it around, maybe move it to the side. That feels good. Move it inwards. And other side. Big breath. Let's go. And your core is engaged. Nice, flat, engaged, tucked in tummy, all right? We're not just relaxed up here. All right, we have a nice posture, strong core. The entire body is engaged, all right? We're moving with intention. Very good. Almost there. Push through. All righty. And 3, 2, 1. Come down. Very good. Shake, shake, shake. Bend. Go ahead, move it around a little bit. And awesome job. Next, we are doing lying straight leg raises, okay? So we're gonna lie on our backs. All right, you can keep your knees bent so your feet on the floor. And we're going to straighten just one of them. All right, so straighten one. All right, and we are gonna go ahead, lift it up and then coming back down without touching the floor and back up. So simple. We're just doing straight leg raises, coming down and then back up. What I want you to remember here is to keep your lower back pressed to the ground, all right? Avoid arching here as well, all right? Keeping your shoulders on the ground and everything, and just focusing on, you know, using those hip flexor muscles to bring your leg up and down gracefully, moving with intention. Alrighty, 30 seconds. We're just doing one side and let's go. All right, so up and then coming back down, not relaxing on the floor, all right? Just coming as low as you can and then bringing it back up. Very, very good. All right, nice flexed foot. It's gonna help you engage your leg a little bit more. Very good. Breathing. Doesn't have to be fast. Remember, you can go slower. That actually is a bit harder when you go slower, so. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and bend that knee. Very good. Straighten the other one. 30 seconds. And begin up and coming down. Very good. Also remember to push your shoulders away from your ears. You can kind of get all scrunched up here sometimes when you're focusing on something, but even lying down, remember to push your shoulders away from your ears. You want a nice, long, elegant neck. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. Bend that knee. Very good. Shake it out, shake it out. Now go ahead and stay right here for some glute bridges, all right? So bend those knees, both feet on the floor, hands are out to your side, fingers spread for stability, and then you're gonna press your hips up, press them up, 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 squeeze, squeeze, and then coming down, all right? Just that movement there works so many parts of your body. It helps your core, your back, your pelvis, your pelvic floor, and the hip flexors, all right? So really remember to squeeze as you come up. So squeeze, 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 and then come down slowly, one vertebrae at a time. All right, 30 seconds on the clock. Big breath, and let's go. All right, up. Very good. Do a nice little hold up there, and then coming down slowly. All righty, very good. Feet should be parallel, all right? Your toes are pointed away from you. Feet are parallel. A little space between your knees and your feet. They are not together. Very good. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. And come down slowly. Very good. One more. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Come down. Big breath, and there we have it. Those were our floor exercises, our strengthening exercises for our hip flexors. Go ahead, take a second, grab some water, and then we're gonna crush set number 2. Alrighty, my beautiful people. Set number 2, less talking, more doing. We have our seated leg liftovers, all right? Then we have our straight leg pulses. All right, then we have our lying straight leg raises, and then we have our glute bridge, our nice hip presses to end strong. Big breath, starting position. Go ahead and get your prop if you are using one. If not, no worries. Starting with our seated leg liftovers. Big breath, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Go ahead, remove a prop if you have one. Legs together. Big breath. Oh, bye. Goodbye. Seated straight leg pulses, all right? Put your legs together. Big breath and seated legs, straight pulses. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. 30 seconds. Other side. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Bend those knees. Go ahead, move them around a little bit. And lying on our back. Lying straight, leg lifts. There we go. Big breath, and let's go. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Switch to the other side. Big breath. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Both knees bent, feet on the floor, and our glute bridge. Big breath. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Gently come down, one vertebrae at a time. Big breath. And there we have it. Set number 2 done and dusted. Great job. I already feel those hip flexors getting stronger. All right, we're gonna take a second, grab water, and then set number 3. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 3, starting with our leg liftovers. 30 seconds, let's keep up the energy. You got this. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Go ahead, remove a prop if you have one. Legs together. Big breath. Oh, bye. Goodbye. Seated straight leg pulses, all right? Put your legs together. Big breath and seated legs, straight pulses. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. 30 seconds. Other side. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Bend those knees. Go ahead, move them around a little bit. And lying on our back. Lying straight, leg lifts. There we go. Big breath, and let's go. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Switch to the other side. Big breath. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Very good. Both knees bent, feet on the floor, and our glute bridge. Big breath. Let's go. Three, 2, 1. Gently come down, one vertebrae at a time. Alrighty, my beautiful people, that was it. 3 awesome sets of strengthening, hip flexor strengthening exercises. I hope you liked it. Let us know in the comments below what you thought. And then go check out our other videos. Check out our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell. That lets you know when we post so you don't miss out, because I hope to see you on the next one.